Hey everybody, Dow Jones Dave here, and I just bought a third contract. Leave me one contract in reserve that I can buy. So we've got our third movement, and we're right on the bottom here. And I think we're about to turn. We'll see what happens here. I'm in, by the way. There we go. Took a hammering on the open. Well, I'd already lost the money. Yesterday I already went down, and then it went. So I ate that loss, and now we're short, down $2, 184 in. I think I have enough for another contract. Let's see. Nope, I'm all in. No more money. 4 contracts, 45 each. $184. Now we want to see bonds to rally because I'm short. The 3 here is kind of small, but I think we're close enough to resolution of this 1, 2, 3. I think we're close enough to this resolution to get in. So I got it. Thought I had an extra contact in reserve. I must have counted wrong. Can't do math. So anyway, I usually will put music and type to these type of videos, but I don't know. It doesn't come out very well on the audio. Because otherwise I'm just sitting here talking. But, I'm talking about legitimate stuff. So we need this to resolve now. But you know what? If the market was going to rally up and go to the back of the channel, it would have already started. See, this is what I was talking about the character of the whole thing changing. That we're not in the same market as we were a couple of days ago. Okay, so we're not in the same trading pattern, and I think we're going to break down out of it. Even though normally the market rallies and makes its final top in late August, I don't think we're going to see that. I just don't. That would be under normal circumstances when there's earnings growth and no inflation, and interest rates aren't blasted, Well, that's a strange looking 3. Not good or bad, just strange looking. Not as nice as we'd like. We would like to see it come down a little bit more. But you can see it's catching a bid off the double bottom on the MACD. MACD is a good tool, actually. I don't think you need the red bar much, but the blue is very definitely a good tool in the fact that it's an oscillator. So the tool with the red, because the red is, it's the divergence. So you want, if it's coming up to 0 and this is turning around, I guess that is going to be a 3 wave. I was a little, I don't know, because it's so tiny. The other ones are large enough magnitude to fit the number in. This one is so tiny you can't even fit the number in it. But it is what it is. And I'm all in, so I want these bonds to go up and knock the market down. Let's see what kind of reaction we get as they move. Futures are faster, so we'll look at futures. 8.7. You watch, every tick these go up, the fucking markets will go down. See, what I think is this going to be the print of a slightly steeper trend. Just my opinion. They're getting creamed lately more often than not. And I'm doing really good with this account. Maybe I shouldn't have taken it public. No, I was getting creamed before that anyway. So can't go down to the 1 minute or I'd be there. There, now the 3 fits. Not the most healthy 3 I've seen. Not really happy with that. But we'll see. So, we got a higher low though. An early higher low. Usually number 3 will barely be high enough to be called a higher low. So maybe that's kind of bullish. I just like jagged lines better than curved ones. How's that MACD doing? Turned up. Let's see if it'll stay up this time. I remember I bought when it turned up here, and I bought when it turned up here, and then I tried to buy when it turned up here, but I didn't have any more money. So 4 contracts in, 2 here, and I guess I must have bought. Well, I bought 1 here. Guess I must have bought 1 here, 2 here. Yeah, I guess I did buy another one somewhere around here. Not quite at the very bottom. The 1 hour looked like. By the way, that's a trend line, not where the price is. Pretty stubborn there, isn't it? Well, maybe it's going to make a bigger 3 after all. We'll see. Or it could be an Elliott correction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, A, B, C. I don't know. I've been noticing we get it full 5-wave downside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm still expecting some more down move here. Or is it? So I could just put enter in. Or is it Now that's Elliott wave theory. Elliott wave theory would say that's fully corrected, and that now it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My theory is there's going to be a third down wave, but there isn't always. MACD still flat. And what I think it's probably going to move up and do something like this. I don't want text. I want where is it? No, I want an arrow. I'm probably going to do this. This. And then that. Some sort of variation of that. Maybe like mouse slipped off its pad again. Something like that. Which would be good because it's pushing this steep downtrend up. Oh boy, look at that. Should probably be trading futures. I'd be making a fortune doing these little moves in futures. So this is now the variable. Where's it going to end up? 5 minutes turning up now. Finally. So yeah, I think it's going to maybe do something like that probably. It's not going to go down anymore, I don't think, with the 5 minute getting ready to cross. And the 10 minute, and the 1 hour, going, will you cross already and get me moving up? All this tangle up here, of course, are trend lines. Down $10. That's funny. Because I bought my second contract when it was like, I don't know, the same price. Well, I'm actually down because I started right here. Dumbass. Get my arrow out of the way. Don't know how far it'll go up, but that's a typical angle. And 5 minute crossover. Let's see what happens. Minus $6. That's better. Funny because at lower prices I was minus less. It's just a bid in the ass for the vagaries of the options. So see, the way this would work is this would be